Welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be sharing with you guys a what I eat in a day video. So I already pre-filmed this video. I'm just making a quick intro because I never had an official intro for you guys. So I wanted to pop on here real quickly before I get into the video and let you guys know that this is a collab with Emily from the Jackson Hive. I've done a collab with them before. They are a cute little family. They actually just had a new baby, so they have a total of 3 kids, and right now Emily is in a weight loss journey herself. So she's going to be sharing a video on what she eats in a day. You guys should definitely pop over there after this video. Let her know I sent you. Show her some love, you guys, and check out her cute little family and all of the things that she eats. And if you guys are over here from Emily's channel, hello, my name is Lindsay. I do have a bunch of videos down below for you to check out. I do day in a life videos. I share what I eat in a day, grocery hauls, cleaning videos, declutter videos, all kinds of lifestyle videos. So if you guys are interested in any of those things, I hope you would consider subscribing and joining my family here on YouTube. So we're gonna go ahead and get started and jump into this video. I won't keep you guys too long, and let's go. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I'm gonna make in my coffee. I already had some tea this morning, but now I'm done with my intermittent fasting period or whatever, which for me is usually like 14 to 16 hours. But today it was only 14 because I'm super hungry. So anyway, I am gonna put these drops, these clear extract new stevia drops. They just add a sweetener and they have 0 carbs. Here, this is to add extra fats without the carbs. So MCT oil is like a must when you're doing like the keto diet, just because it helps you get your fats up. And then this is cashew milk. I usually put whipping cream, but we're out of whipping cream, so this has 1 carb. But with my breakfast that is super low carb, this is gonna be just fine. And then this is the tea that I drank this morning. Hopefully this didn't break me out of intermittent, the fasting stage, because I really don't know, to be honest. They say you can drink tea, black coffee, and water during your fasting period, but I had this, so I don't know. I got to do some research and find out. And Remy,
hi.
your hair's all over. Say good morning.
Good morning.
We gotta fix you. So if you guys have been following my channel for a while, then you'll know that I always drink water throughout the day, like religiously. It was a goal I had this year for 2018, and I fully accomplished it. I am like addicted to drinking water all day. Plus I got this super cute cup from Beachbody because I do Beachbody coaching on the side. So it is super cute because it has a bunch of quotes from our 2B Mindset program, which is our nutritional program. So yeah, I drink out of that, have my coffee. And then I am having my first meal. I am actually gonna have, this is a cup of spinach, half of avocado. Avocado does have carbs, but it has fiber, so it's low carb veggie. Spinach is also low carb veggie. And then 2 of these over easy eggs. I did put 1/4 cup of cheese on here, which today is the first official day that I am introducing cheese back into my diet. I've been struggling on keto and basically haven't been in like that full ketosis state since I quit dairy 2 weeks ago. I had to quit dairy 2 weeks ago because of my acne, my cystic acne breakout. And since quitting the dairy and also changing some makeup products I was using by MAC, my face is clearing up tremendously. So I am gonna incorporate just a little tiny bit, not like I was before. Before, you guys know, I was cooking all kinds of cheese keto recipes, showing them on my Instagram. But this time I'm gonna keep it very, very, very low dairy. Alright you guys, so this is my lunch and I have a few cucumbers here, some pickles that are...
And I got some.
Yeah, I got yours. I got some pickles that were like no carbs basically. Tuna, I added little tiny pieces of green onion and cucumber to give it some flavor, some pepper, and then that avocado mayo that I showed you guys earlier, or avocado, yeah, it's avocado oil mayo that I mixed into the tuna, and it just tastes so good. So this is gonna be my lunch along with a iced drink. So this is the black raspberry. Also what I like to do is mix my lettuce with spinach because you're gonna get more like vitamins, minerals from the spinach. So I add a cup of spinach on top of a little bit of lettuce, and that's how I make my salads. All right, you guys, so I'm about to add a scoop of electrolytes. This is a powder into my water here. It's really important when you're on a low carb diet, any kind of low carb diet, that you get electrolytes because you can dehydrate, and it just really helps, like electrolytes kind of replace the minerals that you're missing. It helps with everything, like energy production and bladder control. Make sure that you're hydrated and getting some type of electrolytes, and these, obviously if I went and bought like a drink, like a Gatorade or whatever, with electrolytes in it, it has sugar and all those things, carbs and stuff. Alright you guys, so I just want to show you and tell you what I'm doing real quick. I cooked the chicken and then I prepped my little sauce here. It's pistachios, I chopped them up, mint leaves, onion, oh, lemon juice, and yeah, I think that's it. And this will go on our topping. And then these are zucchini noodles. You guys can do them homemade, obviously, or what I did, just this is like the lazy girl way, or smart mom way, is I just picked up a couple packages of these veggie spirals, these zucchini noodles, and they are only 2 carbs. So we use 2 packs for a family of 4, and then they're just cooking up here. I cooked them in the microwave at first, but then I kind of put them in here with some oil and seasoning and just kind of flavor them a little bit. And then I will show you guys the ending. Yeah. Alright you guys, so this is what I'm having for dinner. This is just like a chicken, pistachio, zucchini dinner. It's low carb, keto approved, and yeah, this is about the size, the serving that I have. Alright you guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and have some green tea. I am in my like intermittent fasting time right now because it's 7 in the evening, and then I just added some fresh mint leaf. I am going to drink this because I'm going to be doing some editing. I have a little bit of a sweet tooth, kind of, not too bad. I just feel like I want something after dinner, so hopefully, so usually the tea kind of helps with that. So I'm going to drink this, and that is about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and give me a like if you liked it, and let me know if you guys would like to see more of these what I eat in a day. And if you have any other questions, just go ahead and let me know in the comments below. I will see you guys soon. Love you. Bye.